Good morning, everybody. It is the 22nd of July. It is Max's birthday eve. And we are heading into Yellowstone.
My birthday tomorrow.
Yes, it is. We're heading to Yellowstone. We have so many things to see today. I think we've got about 10 stops if we have time, but it's already 11:30.
We're running late today.
We're running late. We just couldn't get out of the hotel room. No sort of enthusiasm to jump out of bed this morning. And we went to a diner. We had to go to Walmart and get petrol, and before you know it, an hour and a half has passed and it is 11:28. But
we've got all day.
We've got all day. We've got to do this route. It's a 3-hour drive, maybe 3.5-hour drive. We will see everything on the route that we're seeing. So we're going in the east entrance. We've got our America the Beautiful pass in here somewhere. Let me see if I can dig it out. This is a little thing we have to hang up in our, I don't know if you can see that, we have to hang that up in our windscreen, which I'll do as we get a little bit closer. And there should also be a card there. So when we got this, when we went into Custer State, no it wasn't, it was Devil's Tower.
Devil's Tower.
We thought we would have to pay, oh we're gonna crash. We thought we had to pay $25. We didn't realise it was part of the America Beautiful pass, which we were going to get anyway. So we paid $80, and now we can get in. Now we've got into Devil's Tower. We can get into Yellowstone, Grand Teton, and Rocky for the $80. So all good. Lasts a year. So if we happen to come back between now and next August, next July, we can use it again. So yeah, Devil's Tower. First stop is Lake Butte or Lake Butte, B-U-T-T-E Overlook.
I think it might be.
A lot of these are going. A lot of these are what?
Lake Butte, I'd say. I don't think Lake Butte. I don't know.
Well, I work for a school called Butte, and it's B-U-T-E.
Yeah.
But this is B-U-T-T. Maybe it's Butty.
Butty. Might be.
So yeah, so that's our first stop. It's just a lot of these are just stop-offs to see things. They're not walks or hikes. We're going to spend a massive amount of time there, but
well, I hope we might see some bison.
We might see some bison again. Lamar Valley is one of the stops, which is good for bison. But we're just enjoying the drive. I'll show you the scenery now.
Are we going on the Lamar Valley?
We should be, time permitting. Yeah, it's one of the things. So yeah, let me show you the scenery, and we'll show you some more bits and pieces from the drive. It's windy. I'm going to show you now a quick video in the distance. There's a lot of wildfires in, we believe, California and Iowa, did they say yesterday? And obviously the smoke and that is drifting down this way or across this way, so. In Yellowstone National Park. We've just gone through the gate and showed our America the Beautiful pass. We saw a deer on the way here that you may have already seen a clip of, and we are now doing road work, so there's all gravel road that I'll show you now, so it's really quite dusty and dirty at the moment. 5 or 10 minute delay there because of roadworks, but we are off again. We are 15 miles away from our first stop. So here we have our first stop of many, Lake Butte or Butte or Butty. I'm not sure how you say it, but we are here at the scenic overlook, and it's a big old lake. I will show you on this camera, but it's going to be vast. So we've just finished at Lake Butte Overlook. We are stopped for lunch and we have a visitor. Check it out.
can't see us.
And to scale, here's my thumb. So it's quite big. It's big as my thumb tip nearly.
Daddy, did you know there's a sign on the box saying not to scale?
Hello mate, you right?
Oh, so gross.
It's cool. Second stop of the day, Fishing Bridge.
But there's no fishing around.
But yeah, but ironically you're not allowed to fish on it. So I'm not quite sure why it's called Fishing Bridge.
I've got all my fishing gear just this moment.
And you've been disappointed, haven't you, mate? So there's a car park just up there that we parked at and walked through. 2-minute walk, and there's also another car park just at the other side of the bridge as well. Okay, on to the next one, which I cannot remember. What's the next one?
Can't remember.
No. See you there, wherever it is.
Destination.
Okay, so this is near our next stop, which is called Dragon's Mouth Spring, I think, but I haven't got my phone with me, so I will put it on the screen. I'm not quite sure which part that is, but there's some hot springs over there. There's some hot springs up here that we've already seen. So I'm not sure if this is Dragon's Mouth Spring. We've got such a lot to see today. That's our stop off here. We're going to move on. So many places that you want to stop off. We're trying to do this in 2 days. And in reality, you probably need a week to see everything if you want to stop off at all the different places. So beautiful down here. There's just a photo everywhere, but we must go.
Got bad for bad. That wing got M for M. Take
We
two,
go
you
bang
ready?
ba bang. We
Take
go
two.
wham ba wham.
Take two.
I don't know the words.
No kidding. You
Wing got bad for bad. That wing got M for M. Call a milk for me back truck. The blood is factory rims. I got 90 years of work. I'm some really a threat. It's got to the point that I don't even can't go do the 6 I don't even wear.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Shh! So there we go, that was Dragon's Mouth Spring, so we did find it. The other place was just natural hot springs and stuff, I think, and a bison obviously. So the next one we're going to is Hayden Valley at, I can't remember what it's called now, Hayden Valley at Trout Creek. So that's our next stop. See if we can get parked at that one. Parking's getting harder though as we get further into the park though, so let's get into the popular destinations now. Stop number 5, Artist Point, and it looks quite straightforward. Car park, attraction, or the viewing platform if you like up here. So this should be a quick fleeting visit.
Guys, guess what's in here? 3, 2, 1. If you did guess, hold on, 2 secs. Bear with me. If you guess sunglasses, you won.
Well done for all those that guess sunglasses. Okay, so Artist Point's done. We are missing out for, that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're missing out 4 or 5 stops because it's nearly 4:30 and we've still got 3 or 4 to do after that with a bit of driving to the hotel. But we do have a day to catch up on the things we've missed. So we are going into Canyon Village. We are looking for
Toilet.
a toilet. Is that it? Canyon Junction service station. I don't think that's it.
No?
No.
Oh no, they have got toilets.
Okay, fine. We'll use it for that. Then we'll go. There's Canyon Village up there. Let's see how much the picture is here. Does it tell us?
Do you think they've got toilets here?
Well, it said the toilets, didn't it? Park over there. Anyway, so we're going to head into Canyon Village now, get a drink, go to the toilet if we don't get one
I
here.
don't think they have. I think the toilets might be in a...
Yeah, maybe just do a U-E and go back. I wonder how much the picture is here though.
Okay, let me just go back out this way.
$5.
Oh,
Where does it
do
say
you
that,
know-
darling?
I don't know where there's ice.
Okay, I'll be back in a
I don't
minute. So, hello everyone. We have just had a nice little bit of a refresh stop, a drink and ice cream, some crisps. Max is still shattered, but he's doing grand, he's doing well. We've decided to miss out 3 or 4 stops, if I didn't mention that before. She's doing very well at it. If I didn't mention before, we missed out 3 or 4 stops that we're going to get on when we've got our day off on Wednesday. So we are now heading ultimately to our hotel, but we are stopping at 3 different places. One of which I've got them written down here because I can't remember them all.
Oh! Why? Oh, look quickly! What's that?
I've got to stop. There's a moose.
Did you get it back?
I'm still recording. Right, that's all been recording. Sorry about that. But a moose crossed the road light. It's quite far away from us. I think it was a moose. It didn't have
don't
antlers
know.
though. Maybe it wasn't a moose.
Something.
Yeah. I'll put a picture up here, but it was so far away from us. Never mind. But we saw it. We saw something different. So we're now heading to Dunraven Peak, which apparently is the... I need new glasses for this. Apparently this is the highest pass in Yellowstone Park, which is interesting. And then after that we have Tower Fall, which is a waterfall. Hopefully we can get to see it from the car or from a close overlook. And then we go to Lamar Valley, which is popular for wildlife like bison and things like that. And then that's really it. There are a couple of other things, but we'll decide if we're going to do those when the time comes. So, bit of a drive, got no maps, so I don't know how long it's going to take us. And we're kind of guessing to a certain extent. But yeah, we'll enjoy the scenery because it is still very, very nice. Oh, there's people pulled over here. Max, could you get my white lens out of my camera player, please? We're going to stop in case there's more wildlife. See you later. We are now going down Dunraven Pass. 8,800 and something was the highest I saw in elevation, 8,800 feet. We saw 2 other chances to see a moose or an elk or whatever that was. There's one buried in the grass that we couldn't get to very well, and the other one was on a blind corner that we couldn't stop at because it probably would have been quite dangerous to park up at the side of the road on a hairpin bend like that. So never mind, we'll keep looking and hopefully we'll see more. We've still got a whole 2 days here, so pardon, Max? Well, Max minds because he's a big avid moose lover. He loves it, because you mind. But now, so our next stop is, drum roll please.
We're waiting.
Well, I've just had a blooming message come up saying, how much would you rate this app? And it's like, come up with the worst time. Right, itinerary, Monday the 22nd. Tower Fall.
Tower Fall.
What does that mean? You have to
132 foot falls seen from an overlook with a general store above or via a short hike to the bottom. So I don't know if it was off, we've got a bit lazy then with the camera. So we're going to go there next, and I don't know how far it is because again, still got no maps. So we're just following the route. No, there's, well yeah, there probably is. There's this, then the Lamar Valley, and then maybe one other thing. Yeah. We said we want to be at the hotel till 7 or 8 o'clock, but anyway. Anyway, let's continue. Here we are, Tower Falls. We are just going to do the overlook, I think. I don't think we're going to hike down to the bottom of the falls due to my knee still, unfortunately, and time. Max wants to say something, just let me finish talking. Okay. We've just seen a deer, which was pretty cool. I got a quick video of it, but I got a few more photos than video. So we're going to see the overlook now of Tower Falls, and here's Max.
And here's a picture of one of the deers jumping over the fence.
I forgot about that bit. Well done, Max. And unfortunately we left the video camera in the car, so mobile phone clips is the best we can muster, I'm afraid. And welcome to Lamar Valley, everybody. Welcome to Gardiner in Yellowstone National Park. Not a bad little village. And we have reached the end of today's video, and as I have done in the previous videos, here are a few of my favourite photos from the day, and don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.